Hey everybody, Paul Frank with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services here. The biggest bang for your buck, the top 3 things you really want to do to your home if you're going to invest money into it. Number 1 is paint. Paint can go a long way, and you always want to do neutrals. So if you have designer paints on the wall, you're going to want to get rid of them. And the issue is, people come in and they see that wall and yeah, we can paint it. I even told them, hey, I'll paint it for you. It doesn't matter. They don't see that, right? They don't see that next step. They don't want to be the ones that are painting it. So you got to take that away from there. Carpets are the other one. Replace the carpets. I mean, if they're really bad, just replace them. You can probably save yourself a lot of money while you're doing that too. I understand it's tough because you got to move all your stuff and all that good stuff. Although people can't see past a carpet allowance. So even if you give them a carpet allowance, it doesn't really matter because they're not going to be able to see past it. It's amazing how people will just see something that can be replaced and not be able to move forward. The other thing is an appraiser is going to look at 6 things, right? Roofing, siding, plumbing, electrical, water in the crawl space, and heating and air. So if you have an issue with any of those 6 things, you definitely want to take care of those beforehand. If you wait till the inspection, it would cost you a ton more money than if you just take care of it ahead of time. It also shows that you show pride in your home. And that you'll take care of your home too. So, all right, thanks.